If you are looking for the best shift knobs, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Mishimoto MMSK weighted shift knob. On paper, the Mishimoto weighted shift knob appears to be a simple shift knob, but practically it is much better. It has a glossy, glass-like finish that gives it a classy look that's fit for any interior. The company logo completes the sleek look. Weighing only 0.8 pounds, it is heavy enough to give you faster shifts, yet light enough to not feel bulky. It has contours that make it easy to handle even in high-octane situations. The shift knob allows you to make hard shifts without extra palm strain. It comes with the Mishimoto lifetime guarantee. Number 2. Dewell JDM Gun Black Nickel Round Shift Knob. If you are looking for a balance of fun, functionality, and great value, you will find it in the Dewell JDM shift knob, which fits Toyota, Nissan, Mazda, Honda, and Acura 5 and 6-speed cars. The colorful knob is a cool manual shifter knob that gives you great wrist control and easy shifts. It's a low-profile, spherical knob that works for both 5-speed and 6-speed manual transmissions. It's made from lightweight aluminum alloy and coated with a gun black nickel for a gleaming shine. Number 3. Skunk 2 627-990081 6-speed shift knob. The 627-99-0081 6-speed shift knob by Skunk 2 Racing is a weighted knob that offers more positive and smoother shifting. It is specifically designed for Honda vehicles and can be used with your existing shift stick or combined with the Skunk 2 short shifter. Number 4. Dewell Universal JDM Honda Acura Shift Knob. The Dewell Universal JDM Honda Acura 5-speed manual shift knob is designed for comfort and is made from high-quality aluminum. It is finished with gear positioning detailing on the top face of the knob. The shift knob comes complete with adapter nuts so that it will fit most Honda and Acura models. Number 5. Mishimoto MMSK-CF Carbon Fiber Shift Knob. If you are looking for a comfortable alternative to your factory-installed shift knob, then the Mishimoto MMSK-CF Carbon Fiber Shift Knob might be just what you are looking for. It comes complete with plastic inserts to allow for universal fitment regardless of the make and model of your car. The knob is finished with the signature M engraved in the top face.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.